Hello, you beautiful human. How are you today? Hope you're having a great day. 2021 was the year in which I evolved the most emotionally and mentally. I felt some feelings which I never thought I was capable of feeling in the past year. I I went through some experiences which really evolved me. And today I am going to share with you my story of the past year. I am going to tell you about my experiences and I'm going to tell you about the five most important lessons that I learned in 2021, which I wanted to impart with you so that you do not go through the same things that I went through. So let's get started. The first lesson that I learned last year was never show somebody that you care for them. Never show somebody that you are emotionally dependent on them. There is a famous quote by Harvey Specter which says, caring only makes you weak. They know you care, they'll walk all over you. Once you show somebody that you have a soft spot for them, they will not think twice before exploiting it to their full extent. I have had experiences in which people used to exploit me because I used to care for them. I'm not saying that you should not care for anybody. I am just saying that do not show people that you are emotionally dependent on them, because that may come back and bite you. The second lesson that I learned last year was don't sweat the small stuff. Do not get stressed about the little things in life. I used to be stressed out even the tiniest of things. If I didn't score in a small class assignment, if a person that I was texting did not reply back for 10 minutes, I used to stress about that. And because of that, I started falling sick more often, because these small things used to take a toll on my mental health, and I used to start worrying about them, and then I fell sick in 2021 more number of times than I had in my entire life. So the lesson that I learned was that if a particular thing does not make a difference to you in the coming 5 years, do not spend more than 5 minutes whining about that. The third lesson that I learned last year was that I publicized my private life. People really don't care how happy or sad you are. They just want something spiced up to cook up a whole new story and tell the world. So I learned to keep it private until it's permanent. This was one of the major regrets that I have in the last year, that I publicized a lot of stuff and then I was made a subject to a lot of ridicule and it came right back at me. And I realized the fourth mistake that I believe I made was I trusted people easily. I realized that you cannot trust anybody except your family for anything. Everybody always has a selfish reason to do something for you. I know you might be thinking that I am depressed right now, but trust me, I am not. It's just that I have seen a lot and I learn things the hard way, and I just wanted to impart whatever I am feeling through this channel with you, because that is the reason I made this channel. Back in 2019 I made this channel so that I can vent stuff about my books. But recently I changed the name to Shaurya Bansal so that at least I have a source where I can talk about how I feel about the things I have been going through, so that people, even if you do not watch, at least I have a way where I can vent out everything. So I realized last year that it is not okay to trust people because they do want something out of you. Nobody is so good or kind-hearted as to do something for you just for free. The fifth and probably the most important lesson that I learned in 2021 was you are the only person who is going to be with you for the rest of your life. Be the friend you always wanted. You're going to spend 90% of your time here. Make sure this is a good place to be. Be mentally happy. Read books, exercise, meditation. Meditation really helps. I did not believe in meditation, but recently I have started to meditate just for 10 minutes each day, and it has made me a better human being mentally. It has made me a happier human being. It really works, trust me. So these were the five lessons that I wanted you to know, 5 mistakes that I made, and I really wish the best for you. This was Shaurya Bansal signing off.